Welcome back to our YouTube channel, dedicated to personal development and self-improvement. In today's video, we have an incredible challenge for you: how to revolutionize your life in just 6 months. We believe that with dedication, consistency, and the right mindset, you can make significant positive changes that will transform your life. So let's get started on this life-changing journey. Month 1. Self-reflection and goal setting. The first step in transforming your life is self-reflection. Take the time to assess your current situation, identify areas that need improvement, and envision your ideal future. Set clear, ambitious, and achievable goals for the next 6 months. Break them down into smaller milestones to keep yourself motivated and accountable. Month 2. Creating a personal development plan. To achieve your goals, you need a well-structured plan. This month, focus on creating a personal development plan. Identify the skills, knowledge, and habits you need to acquire or improve upon. Research resources, courses, or workshops that can help you in your journey. Design a schedule that allows you to dedicate regular time to your personal growth. Month 3. Building healthy habits. Habits play a significant role in our daily lives. This month, focus on building healthy habits that support your goals. Whether it's implementing a morning routine, practicing regular exercise, adopting a balanced diet, or improving your time management skills, small changes in your daily routine can lead to significant transformations over time. Month 4. Overcoming limiting beliefs and mindset shift. Our mindset and beliefs often hold us back from reaching our full potential. This month, work on identifying and overcoming limiting beliefs that have been hindering your progress. Replace them with positive and empowering beliefs. Cultivate a growth mindset that embraces challenges, sees failures as opportunities to learn, and believes in your ability to create the life you desire. Month 5. Expanding your comfort zone. Growth happens when we step outside our comfort zones. This month, challenge yourself to try new things, take calculated risks, and embrace opportunities that push you beyond what you thought possible. Whether it's trying a new hobby, speaking in public, networking, or taking on new responsibilities, expanding your comfort zone will open doors to personal and professional growth. Month 6. Surrounding yourself with supportive networks. The people we surround ourselves with greatly influence our lives. This month, focus on nurturing positive relationships and surrounding yourself with supportive networks. Seek out like-minded individuals, join communities, attend events, or find a mentor who can guide and inspire you. Create a supportive network that encourages your growth and holds you accountable. Congratulations on embarking on this transformative journey to revolutionize your life in just 6 months. Remember, personal growth is a continuous process, and these 6 months are just the beginning. Stay dedicated, remain consistent, and embrace the challenges and opportunities that come your way. Share your progress and experiences with us in the comments below, and let us know how this journey has impacted your life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, where we'll delve deeper into personal development.